Hello, today let's talk about how to remove devices which are blocked your additional parts. That's possible. For this, first step of course is remove all parts and then check first the wand. Maybe there's a blockage inside. And if there is a blockage, you can remove it, for example, with a stick or with your fingers, with something else, or a little bit air, flowing air or something else. So you can remove the blockage over there easy peasy. And it's important, of course, because the clearing of the blockage is really important job that is possible. With the wand removed from the machine, we check for blockage at both ends of the wand, of course. And then next thing is, of course, we have other parts of it, so we are going to disassemble them and remove the blockage out of them. In this case here, it is an additional part. This is the hair screw tool with an anti-tangle conical device, and we can remove there the parts of it and remove the blockage after that. And there it is, the big thing here. This is the best. There's this leather slim fluffy. A cleaner hat, a precisely angled leather makes invisible dust visible in hard floors. And of course, there can be a blockage too. And for this, we disassemble this part of the tool too, and then we can remove there the blockage. After this, we have to assemble everything, job's done. And here comes the best second placed device here. This is the direct drive cleaner hat, deep cleans carpets and hard floors. And of course, maybe there is a blockage too. For this, you will need a coin to remove the inner parts, then remove all blockage out of the line. And after this job, you can of course reassemble it together, and then that it is. Here we are, job's done. Now let's go to the vacuum cleaner. This is the big boy where the energy comes from. Oh yeah. We are going to do now make the move to emptying our bin container. Maybe there's a blockage, and of course we can remove the inner part of it too, and then we can find some blockage over there or on the lines on the floors at this device too. Of course, maybe there is a blockage in the rear side near the filter of the engine of the motor. Remove the blockage over there, job's done. So now we can reassemble everything and have a good clearing blockage done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.